So that's the unscrambler servo lift. That's the hopper for unscrambler. Conveyor belt connecting unscrambler and the filler. Additional conveyor belt. Filler.
Hold on, let me just so they can see inside.
Leaflet and capsule filler. Yes.
Okay.
Part of that filler, another conveyor belt.
All right.
One more belt.
Okay.
Then cartoner. Conveyor belt. And goes to capper. And these are all the parts for capper. That's the capper.
All right. Let me just get in here. Okay.
Then the induction sealer.
Let me get around the front. All right.
Goes to turntable.
Okay.
Okay. Retorquer.
Okay.
There is a conveyor belt.
All right.
Goes to labeler. That labeler.
Over here.
Yeah. It's a labeler.
Okay.
And then it goes to the vision system.
Vision system over here.
And then it goes to the case packer.
This one right here. Okay.
And this is the labeler for palletizer, pallet label.
Okay. Pallet labeler.
And last part is the palletizer. It's the palletizer.
So this one's next.
Sorry.